Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and you are doing well with your preparations on the next level related to scientist B interview preparation, right? So this video is for those who are pretty sure that their interview round is going to be happened because they have already done very well in the written examination. So ये वीडियो उनको टारगेट करता है जिनको लगता है कि उन्होंने अपना written examination बहुत अच्छे से दिया है, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस उनके बहुत ज़्यादा करेक्ट हैं एंड उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं एक पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स एंड दे आर वेटिंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू राउंड, राइट? सो मेनी ऑफ यू हैव रिक्वेस्टेड मी, many of you have emailed me to make a video on this regard. So here I am with the Scientist B interview preparation video, right? So level 1 you have already qualified as per your analysis. Level 1 was the written round, right? So you have attempted the sure shot questions, and on the basis of that your analysis says that you will definitely qualify the written round. ठीक है? So this is for those student only, right? Now before starting the video, let me clear this. There are so many things going on related to the examination technicalities, examination syllabus, and so many things are going on. But as I always say कि जब तक कोई ऑफिशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं आती है यू हैव टू थिंक कि रिजल्ट आने वाले टाइम पे आ जाएगा. फर्स्ट राउंड हो गया है, सेकेंड राउंड होने वाला है. एंड प्लीज़ एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर द वॉइस, आई एम हैविंग सीवियर कोल्ड एंड कफ, सो यू हैव टू लिटिल बिट एडजस्ट, right? Now this video will be a power pack. You will be getting a crisp roadmap that what you have to do, what you have to follow, what are the things which you have to cover while preparing for the interview round, right? So from zero to selection you will be getting a complete roadmap, how to do the technical preparation, how to deal with the HR questions, do I uh, will I launch in future any mock interviews round or not? So on all of those regards I will be preparing this video. So only request is to subscribe the video. ठीक है? If you have any doubt you can write in the comment section, I will reply. Now without further delay let's start. So see, reality check is what can most of the candidate fails due to weak thesis explanation, poor communication and lack of institute knowledge. यहाँ पे the first point which I want to put forward is that you all are very brilliant, right? If you have qualified the written examination, there is no doubt in it that you have so much of theoretical knowledge. But where you lack is that if you have done any like if you are a PhD, you have to explain your thesis very well, you have to explain your master thesis as well, and apart from that you should be like a pro in communication, right? Because they will not judge you on the basis of written or theoretical knowledge, because you already have proved by qualifying the round 1. Now they want to analyze your skills, they want to analyze that whether you can communicate effectively, do you have any practical knowledge or not. So on that regard they will evaluate you. So this is the three thing which is lacking nowadays in many of the candidates. Now what your interview panelist wants from you, they will evaluate you on the basis of whether you can think scientifically or not, whether you have a problem solving skills or not. They will provide you one case or one scenario and they will evaluate you what you are answering on the basis of that scenario or case. So are you able to do the problem solving pretty easy, and what are the research aptitude skills you have, are you able to clarify your things whatever you are speaking, trainability, right? Now what is the structure of the scientist to be interview round? ठीक है? So basically there you will have to provide your introduction, that who you are, from where you belong, and after that you will be providing your qualification, right? That you are PhD, you are masters with this much of experience, or whether if you are not having that much of experience, then also you will say that I have this particular qualification and after that I am currently doing this things. क्योंकि एकदम तो आप ऐसा होगा नहीं कि आप बैठे होंगे. So after that you will be providing some information regarding your thesis, right? Your thesis objectives, what are the findings, key findings you have got after completion of your study, what subject questions you have addressed एंड व्हाट आर द रिसर्च एप्लीकेशन ऑफ योर टॉपिक, ठीक है. सब HR related questions will be there. So this is the structure of your scientist B interview round, right? इसी में ही आपको जज किया जाएगा. ये लगता है छोटा सा, बट इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इजी. नाउ हियर आई वांट टू डिस्कस वन पॉइंट दैट माय डियर फ्रेंड, योर मेरिट लेवल विल बी डिसाइडेड, ठीक है. जो मेरिट जो बनने वाला है, इट विल बी ओनली सोलोली बेस्ड ऑन द इंटरव्यू राउंड, ठीक है. No marks of written examination will be added into the final merit. It is just qualifying. ये बात मैं बार बार इसीलिए कहना चाहती हूँ ताकि आपको पता चल जाए कि आगे का जो इंटरव्यू राउंड है, दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड यू कैन से दैट दैट इज़ द ओनली डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर दैट यू विल क्वालिफाई और नॉट. क्योंकि रिटन एग्जामिनेशन जो है वो आपका सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्वालिफाइंग है. अगर आप उसमें क्वालिफाई कर लिए 100 में से अगर आप 90 भी ला रहे हैं, दैट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि कंबाइंड मेरिट लिस्ट बन रहा है. जो आपका इंटरव्यू राउंड है वो जितने भी मार्क्स का होगा उसके मार्क्स के बेसिस पर ही आपका मेरिट बनेगा एंड योर सिलेक्शन विल बी देयर, ठीक है. तो इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, आप एड़ी चोटी का जोर लगाना है आपको इंटरव्यू में. आप क्वालिफाई कर जाएंगे. हाँ, कब आपके रिटन के एग्जामिनेशन के मार्क्स देखे जाएंगे? इफ़ देर इज़ टाई इन बिटवीन टू कैंडिडेट्स. अगर टाई होगा तो देखा जाएगा कि रिटन एग्जामिनेशन में किसका नेगेटिव मार्किंग ज़्यादा है. द फीवर द नेगेटिव मार्किंग यू विल बी गेटिंग हायर चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग सिलेक्टेड, ठीक है. जैसे 5 एक कैंडिडेट का नेगेटिव है, एक कैंडिडेट का 10 नेगेटिव है, सो 5 नेगेटिव विल गेट मोर मार्क्स, ठीक है. अगर ये भी सेम हो जाता है कि 5 इसका गलत है, 5 इसका भी गलत है, देन योर DOB विल बी चेक. DOB भी सेम होगा तो अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर वाला चूज किया जाएगा, ठीक है. हालांकि इतना सिमिलैरिटी देखने को बहुत रेयरली मिलता है दो कैंडिडेट्स के बीच में, ठीक है. Now, tell me about yourself. This is the first question whenever you will enter the room. The panelist will ask you, tell me about yourself or introduce yourself to the panelist. ठीक है. This will be the first question. So you have to speak confidently about yourself. Name, qualification, specialization, research area, current work, like current affiliation, or why you want to get hired as a scientist B, ठीक है. why you are here, why you think that you can be get hired on this post. You have to justify your presence at that moment, ठीक है. Now CV, so you will submit your CV, right? So you have to like master your CV. You should be able to justify each and every line of your CV, ठीक है. Research project preparation. Now, if you have mentioned any research project in your CV, they will ask so many questions regarding it, right? So on the basis of that, they will ask you that what are the problems which you have addressed through your research, what are the objectives, and what did you find, what are the key findings after completion of your thesis, ठीक है. So you should be answering in a very concrete way, no such manipulation. You should be very pretty clear, right? Which methodology, with latest methodology you have followed, what are the result, what is the application and future prospects of your study. These are the most important question, and the more you will be concrete, the more you will be to the point, more you will be like getting good marks, ठीक है. Now thesis preparation formula. You have to answer why you have chosen that topic, how you did that, what are the result and what is its significance, limitations, because every study has certain limitations, right? We have limitations of funding, we have limitations of time. So you cannot say that your study has no such limitations, right? So you have to mention that also. Apart from that, techniques they love asking is what? PCR, qPCR, ELISA, Western blot, flow cytometry, HPLC, NGS, CRISPR. Like these are the latest technique. Most of the institutes, most of the organizing body loves to ask questions related to these, because these are the advanced techniques. Whenever you are getting hired as a ICMR scientist B, you are supposed to have a knowledge of all these things, because these are the things used for the diagnosis purpose. Like qPCR is one of the most common, ELISA rapid test is most common, You will have to do flow cytometry also, HPLC for separation. Like these are the very very basic. NGS CRISPR is now the need of the hour. So you have a knowledge regarding all of these practical aspect में, theoretical नहीं कि आप theoretical aspect में definitions बताए जा रहे हो. No, you have to know the exact application of each and every technique, that why you are using flow cytometry, why not any other technique, why you are using ELISA and for what purpose, why not any other technique. Now subject revision strategy. Focus on top 20% topics, producing 80% question, like research methodology, biostatistic, bioethics, because people will ask you regarding research methodology in the interview, right? Because they will ask you that some society is facing this particular problem. Now let me know how you will address this and what will be the steps to design a research, to design an effective research. This type of question will be definitely there, and in the upcoming series I will be providing you the exact question, exact scenario round. ठीक है, I will be providing you that very very soon. Do comment below if you want me to do so. In molecular biology, you know that the heart of molecular biology is replication, transcription, translation, DNA repair, and epigenetics. Epigenetics is nowadays very very important. So you have to be like pro, because if you are a life science candidate or any other stream candidate, you have to like clear your basics related to replication, transcription, translation, and whatever I have mentioned. In the cell biology, you have to know cell cycle, what is mitosis, what are the different phases in mitosis, what is G1, G2, G0, what are the different pathways in signaling cascade, stem cells, apoptosis, programmed cell death. ये सारी चीज़ों के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. In biochemistry, you should be knowing about the metabolism, because disease arise from the like fault in the metabolic pathways. So what are the disease and what is enzyme kinetics, etc, पेंटोज फॉस्फेट पाथवे, प्रोटीन स्ट्रक्चर, अमीनो एसिड स्ट्रक्चर, ठीक है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, बेसिक कार्बोहाइड्रेट, मोनोसेक्राइड, डाइसेक्राइड, पॉलीसेक्राइड, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द स्टार्च and glycogen, like all these things are important. In immunology you can also see questions are there in question paper from immunology, molecular biology, cell biology. So you have to like pro in vaccines. They will ask definitely 100% question will be there from vaccine. What are the recent vaccines currently in manufacturing related to COVID-19 or any other disease, Ebola, let's say. So you have to pretty much your data should be top notch, ठीक है. एंड करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चन भी इस टॉपिक से आ सकते हैं. कोविड-19 के वैक्सीन्स के बारे में भी पूछा जा सकता है. इन बायोटेक्नोलॉजी यू शुड बी प्रो इन वेक्टर्स, क्लोनिंग, बायोरिएक्टर्स, रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए, क्रिस्पर एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. And bioinformatics also, the basic bioinformatics, and also related to NGS, how you will analyze your data after sequencing. So उस raw data से लेके finalized interpretation तक के जितने भी softwares use होंगे, how you have done it, they will be asking. रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड के क्वेश्चंस जो मैंने आपको बताया, सिनेरियो देके वो आपको पूछेंगे. सो एक्सपेरिमेंटल डिजाइंस पे क्वेश्चंस होंगे. व्हाट आर द कंट्रोल्स इन डिफरेंट एक्सपेरिमेंट, व्हाट इज नेगेटिव कंट्रोल, पॉजिटिव कंट्रोल एंड अदर कंट्रोल्स, validation, troubleshooting. So this will be like hotspot area from where questions will be there, right? Now statistic question, the p value, confidence interval, ANOVA, t-test, parametric, non-parametric, mean, median, central tendency, SEM, variation, dispersion, questions will be there from these particular topic. Current biotechnology trend question will be related to CRISPR, mRNA vaccine, AI. Yes, this one be as per my analysis the foremost question related to biotechnology, that how AI is helping in medical sector, right? How AI is helping in diagnosis. So this will be like very very important. Precision medicine, preventive medicine, personalized medicine, all these questions are very very important. So question on institute related to history. If you are like from any X institute, they will be asking that what is the established year, what is the foundational year, and things related to it. Research areas, what is the major research area of particular ICMR institute. I have like made shorts related to ICMR institutes, ठीक है, मैंने 4-5 शॉर्ट्स डाले, मैं और भी डालूंगी. सो दीज आर इम्पॉर्टेंट कि कौन सा ICMR का इंस्टीट्यूट है जो इस पर्टिकुलर डिजीज़ में, लेप्रोसी में काम कर रहा है, ठीक है. ऑक्यूपेशनल हैजार्ड के ऊपर काम कर रहा है, सो यू शुड बी लाइक टॉप नॉच कि हाँ ये आईसीएमआर का इंस्टीट्यूट है, यहाँ लोकेटेड है, ये काम कर रहा है। तो इससे आपको उन्हें भी पता चलेगा पैनलिस्ट को दैट यू आर फ्रीक्वेंटली इनटू इट एंड यू आर लाइक इवेल्युएटिंग योर सेल्फ कि हाँ मुझे अगर क्वालिफाई करना है तो आपके पास सारे नॉलेज होने चाहिए, यू आर प्रिटी मच श्योर रिगार्डिंग योर फैक्ट्स। फैसिलिटीज़ क्या है, साइंटिस्ट अचीवमेंट्स, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको पता होना चाहिए। एंड इसका क्वेश्चन अगर आप जस्टिफाई करते हो देन यू विल बी गेटिंग अ गुड मार्क। वाई शुड वी सिलेक्ट यू ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर नॉलेज, रिसर्च एक्सपीरियंस, टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टीज, लर्निंग एबिलिटी, ये सब के बेसिस पे आप अपना आंसर फ्रेम कर सकते हो। मैं यहाँ पे कंप्लीट आंसर नहीं दे रही क्योंकि आप रट के वो ही चीज़ें बोलोगे, तो मैं आपको पॉइंटर्स दे रही हूँ, इसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप कस्टमाइज करके चीज़ें बोल सकते हो। कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, यू शुड बी डूइंग आई कॉन्टैक्ट, क्लियर वॉइस शुड बी देयर एंड स्ट्रक्चर्ड आंसर, लाइक ये नहीं कि लैग कर रहे हो, नो। एंड थोड़ा बहुत चलता है लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा अगर आप कॉन्क्रीट आंसर नहीं दे रहे हो, घुमा घुमा के दे रहे हो, टाइम ले रहे हो एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने में, तो वो भी इरिटेट हो जाएंगे। दे वांट कॉन्क्रीट एंड स्ट्रक्चर्ड आंसर, ठीक है। अगर एक ही क्वेश्चन में वो जैसे कई बार ही पूछते हैं कि क्या आपको एक्सपीरियंस है, एंड अगर है तो हाउ यू डू इट, ठीक है। तो ये दो क्वेश्चन हो गया पार्ट। सबसे पहले आप आंसर दो यस आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस इन दैट, उसके बाद में थोड़ा पॉज लेके बताओ कि कैसे आप करते हो। सो ये होता है एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड आंसर, ऐसा नहीं कि इसको ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं। तो पहले क्वेश्चन का तो आंसर आपने दिया ही नहीं, येस और नो का। सो थिंक बिफोर आंसरिंग एंड अच्छे से पहले क्वेश्चन को सुनो, देन यू नीड टू आंसर इट। मॉक इंटरव्यू चेकलिस्ट आई विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग इन अपकमिंग वीडियोस, ठीक है। बस आई ओनली रिक्वेस्ट यू टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड लाइक द वीडियो। Final messages: if you are clear enough, if you are confident, your communication skills are on top notch, and if you have scientific thinking, problem solving skill, then your selection is confirmed. This is for all. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching.